Today, we're diving into a topic that's probably been on your mind a lot lately: how to make friends in high school. High school can be a roller coaster of emotions, but one thing's for sure: having good friends by your side can make the journey a whole lot smoother. Now, I remember high school well. It's a time when you're figuring out who you are, what you're interested in, and who you want to surround yourself with. So, let's get right into it. And I'll share some insights that can help you build those meaningful connections that will last a lifetime. The first tip, and arguably the most important one, is to be authentic. You've probably heard this 1,000 times, but it's true. The key to making real, lasting friendships is to be yourself. People are drawn to authenticity like moths to a flame. Pretending to be someone you're not may help you make acquaintances, but it won't lead to genuine connections. So, embrace your quirks and unique qualities. Be open and honest about who you are, and you'll naturally attract the right people. Next, expand your horizons. High school is a time to explore different interests, hobbies, and activities. Join clubs, try out for sports teams, or participate in school events. It's a fantastic way to meet like-minded individuals who share your passions. And remember, these shared interests create a strong foundation for friendships to develop. Another essential tip is to be a good listener. Sometimes the best way to make friends is not to talk, but to listen. Show genuine interest in what others have to say and let them share their thoughts and experiences. Being a good listener will make you more approachable and endearing, and it's the foundation of any meaningful relationship. Now let's talk about the power of positivity. Positivity is contagious, so try to maintain a positive attitude, even during challenging times. People are naturally drawn to those who radiate good vibes, smile, be supportive, and offer encouragement when needed. You'll find that the right people will naturally gravitate towards you. Don't be afraid to take the initiative. If you spot someone you'd like to be friends with, be the one to make the first move. Strike up a conversation, invite them to join an activity, or simply ask how their day is going. Most people appreciate when someone takes the initiative, and it can be the catalyst for a lasting friendship. Lastly, it's essential to be patient. Building meaningful friendships takes time. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Don't be discouraged if things don't happen overnight. Keep putting yourself out there, and over time, you'll find your tribe. Remember, quality friendships are worth the wait. In summary, making friends in high school is all about being authentic, expanding your horizons, being a good listener, staying positive, taking the initiative, and being patient. Keep in mind, you're not trying to be friends with everyone, just the right people who appreciate you for who you are. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. High school can be a challenging but incredibly rewarding time in your life. So embrace it, be yourself, and trust that the right friendships will come your way. As always, guys, stay true to yourselves, and until next time, take care.